Apex missiles for the Greek Apaches against Turkey's drone swarms. How will they work? As we recently informed you, the United States Army is extensively experimenting with the AH-64 Apache platform, attempting to modify it appropriately so that it can operate in a drone destroyer role. The Hellenic Army Aviation, which operates dozens of attack helicopters of this type, is certainly closely monitoring the developments of the United States Army. More specifically, and according to American reports, the United States Army recently conducted for the first time tests with special proximity-fused missiles, 30mm caliber, on its Apache attack helicopters. These munitions were fired from the M230 automatic cannon that each Apache helicopter has mounted under its fuselage. As reported by the American press, the integration of these missiles was carried out for one main purpose: to enhance the effectiveness of the platform in neutralizing unmanned aerial vehicles in flight. Proximity. Fused missiles are a special category of munitions which are designed to detonate at a close distance from the target, that is, just before colliding with it. Given their nature, these missiles can prove to be especially effective against drones. The reason is that they don't need to hit their target with great accuracy, since they explode before colliding. This feature is especially important when we're talking about drones because their small size and high speed make them difficult targets in the air. Additionally, when these munitions are detonated, they create a cloud of fragments that move at high speed toward the target. This further increases the chances of successfully destroying the target and makes the munitions especially effective against entire swarms. From True. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. And don't forget to leave us a comment with your opinion.